In fact, I had to go through a bunch of hoops just to find Ms. Tucker. Nevertheless, let's get to the issues of law. Beyond the mirror image rule and the fact that the rules are clear, if a person doesn't come themselves, they have to have representation. But because every entity, with the exception of potentially Dr. Shim, is a business, Florida law would require them to have an attorney represent them. There's no, and I don't recall, unless I missed it, appellee said that Mr. Rowe or austinroebasquill made appearances on behalf of Dr. Shim, not that it wouldn't be a conflict, the VA, and every other party that was named in the release. And if you look at the release includes people other than the Tuckers. And the only thing we could have discussed was the Tuckers. And again, we talk about full and fair. What's not full and fair is to Dr. Shim's deposition, which he did not appear at, but he didn't appear based upon our information because of instruction by people who didn't represent him. His counsel didn't file an objection. The appellee's lower tribunal counsel filed the objection. And here's the subpoena dues testament. In here, I want to read from his motion for protective order. He states clearly that Mr. Doss did not properly serve Dr. Shim. He merely mailed it to him. But here's a copy of the affidavit of service from my process server that stated he was served in his office. Plus, we don't know really, is Dr. Shim solely the attorney for State Farm? Or is he the attorney for the United States government because he saw me in two different capacities, yet never disclosed his conflict? And I'm going to say this. It's not the issue that he has a practice outside. 'Cause I went to his practice outside of the VA. I don't have an issue with that. I appreciate the United States government and the taxpayers providing us with help from people who are experts in their fields. That's not the issue. Do what you do. But what you cannot do, and law prohibits it, is to have a financial conflict of interest. That's clearly defined. That's a crime, actually. Title 18 of the United States Federal Code is a criminal action.